In this video, I'm going to show you how to create consistent character animation video with AI.
We should get home, fast! Look, something glowing by the park bench!
So let's get started.
Step 1. Build your full animation blueprint in ChatGPT. Step 2. Generate the characters and scene images. For the characters and scene images, we're going to use Google Whisk. It's free, it's powerful, and it's one of the easiest tools for keeping your characters consistent across an entire animation. Open Whisk. It now runs Nano Banana Pro under the hood, so the output quality is even better. Now let's generate your first character. Go back to ChatGPT and copy your first character prompt. Paste it into the Whisk prompt box, then click Generate. In a few seconds, Whisk will give you your first character with clean detail and a polished, animation-ready look. Next, generate your second character. Go back to ChatGPT again and copy your second character prompt. Paste it into Whisk and click Generate. Now you have a second character that looks like it belongs in a studio-quality 3D animation. Now here's the key move. This is how you make sure every upcoming scene keeps the exact same characters. Take the first character image you generated and drag it into subject box number 1 on the left. Then click the plus icon to add another subject. Now drag the second character image into subject box number 2. Once both images are in those subject boxes, your characters are locked in. From this point on, whenever you generate scene images, Whisk uses those two characters as references every single time. That means the faces, outfits, and overall look stay consistent across all scenes. Now we're ready to generate the scene images. Go back to ChatGPT and copy your first scene prompt. Paste it into Whisk and make sure you set the right aspect ratio. If you're making shorts, choose 9:16. If you're making a regular YouTube video, choose 16:9. For this tutorial, I'm using 16:9. And click Generate. And there it is, your first scene appears with cinematic lighting and strong detail. Most importantly, both characters stay sharp and consistent in the frame. Now do the same for the second scene. Copy the second scene prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Whisk, and click Generate. Scene 2 lands with that same polished look. The characters still match perfectly, and the world feels like one continuous animation. Again, go back to ChatGPT, copy the third scene image prompt, paste it into Whisk, and click Generate. And again, the consistency holds up. Same character identity, same style, and the scene feels like part of the same animation. Now, repeat this workflow for all remaining scenes. Copy the scene prompt from ChatGPT to paste into Whisk to generate. Keep going scene by scene until you've generated them all. Then download each image and save everything in one folder. Once all your scene images are ready, we move on to animation. Step 3. Turn your images into studio-style 3D animation clips using Grok. Now that all your scene images are ready, it's time to bring them to life using Grok. Grok lets you generate high-quality, watermark-free animated clips, so your shots already look polished and ready to use straight out of the tool. It genuinely feels like you're getting studio-style results from an AI anyone can access, and you can animate your clips for free. Open Grok and click Imagine. You'll see lots of videos other people have created, but we don't need to experiment or guess because ChatGPT has already prepared the exact image-to-video prompts with dialogue for every scene. Upload your first scene image into Grok. Now, an important note, when you upload an image, Grok may start generating a video automatically, but we don't want that. We want Grok to generate the animation using the exact video prompt that ChatGPT wrote for us. So here's how to stop the auto-generation. Go to Settings in the bottom left. Click Behavior, then turn off Enable Automatic Video Generation. Once you disable that, Grok will stop auto-generating videos, so you can paste your prompt and generate the animation the right way. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the first image to video prompt, including all the dialogue, paste it into Grok, and click Generate. In just a few seconds, that still image turns into a full animated shot.
Ready for our walk, Milo? Ready! Let's find adventure!
The motion feels smooth, the expressions look alive, and the talking is surprisingly believable.